Okay, guys, on this last example, just a couple of points. Okay? Parallel lines have the exact same slope. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Y is equal to negative 2/3 x minus 4. What's the slope of the first line? Raise your hand. Ethan. Negative 2 over 3. What's the slope of the second line? Tut. This isn't on the sheet. What's the slope of the second line? Negative 2 over 3. Do they have the same slope? Yeah. If I graph them, the lines are parallel. They'll never intersect. If two lines have the same slope, they're parallel. Okay? Let me get rid of this. All right? The next one says perpendicular lines make right angles, and their slopes have opposite signs and are reciprocals. Okay, well, let's think about that. Y is equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 1. Y is equal to positive 3 over 4x minus 2. Are these two lines perpendicular to each other? Zachary? Do they have the same sign? The slopes. That's good. They're supposed to be opposite. Are they reciprocals of each other, Tut? Well, do we flip them and get the same thing? Oh, yeah. Okay, so they're not true reciprocals because they would have the same sign. But the numerator of one is the denominator of the other, and they have different signs. That means that these two lines are perpendicular. If I graph these two, I'm going to do this quickly. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if I can do this quickly enough for you guys. All right, here we go. So let's see. Here's the first one. Y-intercept is 1. It says go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3. Okay, so this is one line. Okay, the other line is negative 2, and it says go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 3. Up 4, over 3. Okay, I'm not that good of a drawer, but guys, do you see that these two things make right angles from each other if I drew them exactly right? Do you see how they're perpendicular to each other? Make sense? Okay, that's what we're doing here. We're talking about delete, good. Slopes that are perpendicular and parallel. All right, now we get to look at this example. This example says, find the slope of a line that has the given relationship to the line with the equation 4x plus 3y equals negative 18. And it says it needs to be parallel in A. Now, what do I know about parallel lines? What's the information I have to have? Zachary?
It has to have the same x and y.
No. What's the thing that has to happen for two lines to be parallel? Kai? They have to have the same slope. What's the slope of the line they gave us? I don't know. Can we find out? What do we do, Hobbs? All right, well, let's do that. 4x plus 3y is equal to negative 18. We're going to subtract 4x, right? And we're going to get 3y is equal to negative 4x minus 18. Then what do I do? Divide everything by 3. And I'm going to get y is equal to negative 4 over 3x minus 6. So what's the slope of the line that they gave us, Nico?
The slope of the line is negative 4 over 3.
So the parallel line is going to be negative 4 over 3. But what's the slope of the perpendicular line going to be? Someone have it? Well, I guess it's going to... What is it, Hobbs? 3 over 4. Good. Flip it. Change the sign. Done.